Okay. So good morning, everyone. So to recap the session, we have seen how to create a user and what are the roles needs to be added when you create a new user. So what are the roles we need to add? It's a employee and IT security manager and application implementation consultant. What is the importance of application implementation consultant? Team, you will get setup and maintenance, FSM access plus reports analytics write access. When you add an employee role, you will get only read access. Okay. And when you add IT security manager, security console will be enabled on your user. So the same way we have customized our role. So where you will find all the roles within the applications, the complete user application roles. Anyone? Where you will find the Fusion application roles apart from OER?
Vijay, actually, today is my first class. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Just you can go through the videos.
Yes, bro. Yes.
Okay.
I think it's your third class. You attended already 2 classes. You missed only yesterday session, right?
Yes. Yes.
Then why you are saying first class?
Sorry. Man. I mean, first 2 classes are like demo classes, right? That's why.
No, it's a continuation only, Raja. Okay.
Okay.
There is no specific demos like that. It's a continuation only.
Okay.
So we'll use the simulate navigator. So within the simulate navigator, you can find all the Fusion application roles. Okay, what are the roles we do have? Job roles, duty roles, and privilege and abstract roles. And yesterday we have seen how to create a custom role itself. Did anyone try to create a custom role? Anyone get a chance to try? Datla? Vijay?
No, today I will try.
Okay, no problem. Just let me know if you have any issues, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we'll see how to customize a standard role. So just navigate to help desk.
Vijay, I have a question actually. The yesterday class regarding.
Yeah,
So
Vijay.
yesterday, privilege we have added only the manage payable
Yes.
invoice activity.
Yes.
So is that enough? Like, is that like to do the activities or anything? Are we going to face anything? The user is going
No,
to face
that is for
anything.
only read only, right?
Okay.
If you want to be still add write access and followed by still, if you need the more access, you need to add the more roles. Just I have shown one of the role how to add a, which is a view purpose to see the data. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the roles. So I'm trying to add accounts payables manager. This is accounts payable manager. If you want to be customize this role, okay, let's customize it. When select the role and click on drop down actions and click on the copy role. Just click on the copy role, copy top role and inherited role. Select all the roles. Okay. Just click on the copy role. It will create a custom role for us. Just add TL28 something is suffix. It's a code. Okay. This is your complete custom role. Click on the next. So these are all your standard roles. Now we are able to see within the custom role. So if you want to be delete anything, okay, let's assume I want to be delete manage file import and export from this role. Or just click on the load inherited policies. in order to load all the privilege roles which are available for your payables manager. Similarly, open the OER. This is secure. This is security reference for financial cloud. Okay. Now, if you see here, I want to delete cancel payables invoice privilege from this role. Okay. I want to delete cancel payables invoice privilege from this role. Select this, and here are you able to see the delete option here? It's there, but it's a disabled state. It's not allowing to delete. Since this privileges comes from one of the role, which is payables invoice processing. There is no possibility to directly delete this privilege role from this role. This privilege role comes with your payables invoice processing. Again, what you have to do, copy this, navigate to role hierarchy. Here you may see all the duty roles, right? So this is my payables invoice processing. See here, this is my duty role. Okay. Now what you have to do in order to delete the cancel payables invoices? Can anyone?
Yeah, customize the duty role.
Yeah, exactly. Great. You need to customize this duty role and delete this duty role from this custom role and add your custom duty role to this job role. Okay. Now, just cancel this. This is my payables invoice processing. So this is my duty role, whichever starts with Aura, and copy the role, copy the all, and here add everything. TL28. Sorry, there is no spaces, right? For the code, click on the next. So here I have the cancel or delete or edit. I want to delete payable invoices. Now delete option is enabled. Just delete it. Click on S. There is no inherited from role. See here. Earlier we could see the same from your job role. Edit payable invoices. Delete this. So I have excluded two privilege roles from this job duty role. Click on the next. Click on the next. Click on the next. Click on the next. And submit and close. So we have created one of the duty role which are customized. This is my customized duty role. And now customize your standard role, which is payables. Copy the role. And it could be TL28. Click on the next. Navigate to role hierarchy. So to be duty roles, payables, invoice processing, right? Just delete it. Now, what you have to do, just add your custom duty role here. Okay, this is my payables invoice processing. See, add role membership. Click on the cancel. Now see, just we have replaced with our custom duty role. Click on the next and add this role to your user. Right side, you may see the button, add user, just add to your user. This is my user. Add user to role, cancel it, click on the next, submit and close. Hope it's clear how to customize standard role. Team?
Yes.
Okay, now when you add any custom role to the user, okay, what Oracle is recommending before 19A version, now we are in 23A version, right? Before 19A version, Oracle has mandatory ESS jobs in order to synchronize your LAP server to the Fusion application server, which is metadata. Okay, when you add any custom role, it won't reflect the changes immediately to the user. Okay, after 19A version, Oracle is directly, refreshing these custom role changes through metadata when you relog in the application. Okay, so what Oracle is recommending, just use this ESA job, send pending LAP changes. And retrieve latest LAP changes and import user and application security. Something is there. User and role application security, I guess that is a ESS job. So invoke these 3 ESS jobs to sync custom role changes to the user against LDAP server. Think about your IDM application. Okay. So these 3 ESS jobs you need to synchronize. So we need to submit when you create a custom role to the user. Before 19A version, Oracle is saying it would be mandatory. After 19A version, now in the current version, this is not required to invoke, but sometimes you are not able to see the changes when you create a custom role to the user, even though if you tried with multiple times relogins. Multiple times, if you relog in the application, still you are not able to see the custom changes to the user. The moment just submit these ESS jobs so that the changes can be reflect to the user. Okay, so this is the best practice. Instead of waiting to
Vijay,
yes.
a small question. What is the LDAP server and IDM application? What is this in purpose?
IDM application runs on LDAP server. Okay, what is the IDM application? It's identity management, user identity management application.
Okay,
Oracle has its own user identity management application is there. That is integrated with our Fusion application in order to deal with user and the roles. Okay. So whenever you're done with any changes, it should be synchronized with your IDM application against our LDAP server. Hope it's clear.
Why that is needed, the LDAP server?
That is your IDM application runs on LDAP server. Internally, that IDM application runs on LDAP server within the cloud. Okay. The same reports analytics. Reports analytics also will run on in the background transaction business intelligence server. Okay. The same way Hyperion tool in the background, it will run on your S-based management system. All servers are integrated with our Fusion application. We call it as a Fusion.
Okay.
It's a cloud system. Okay.
Means in EV older version, it's a separate, right?
Yes, no older version is a standalone.
Oh, okay.
That's on device.
Okay, yeah, right.
Now it's with the cloud everything.
Yeah, now I got, yeah.
And it is completely deals with the metadata. Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
And I like I think LDAP means like is it like directory access protocol or something like that?
Sorry,
Like,
it's not the
no.
protocol and all, it's the user related information it will maintain. Users and roles.
No.
Okay. Okay, where we are. Okay, to submit this, right? So in order to submit an ESA job is nothing but just you can correlate with your on-premise system, which is concurrent program. Concurrent program is nothing but here job, ESA job. Concurrent request set is nothing but here ESA job set. In the tools, just navigate to schedule process. So the schedule process tool allows us to submit your ESA jobs and job sets. And you may see all your submitted ESA jobs information, the status, process ID, request, job name, schedule time, submission, submitted by, everything. Click on schedule new process. By default, it will select the ESA jobs. Just search with your ESA jobs here. Send pending. Here you may search your standard ones and the custom ones. Manage requests to create or update users, roles and role grants in LDAP. Click on OK. There is no parameters, just submit it. In real time, these programs will be scheduled for every 6 hours or every 1 day. Okay. And retrieve latest LDAP changes, especially these programs is required for human capital management. The reason it would be, in the background schedule for certain frequency. And import user and role. Role application security data. Click on submit. So when these become succeeded, you may see custom related changes against your user. Okay. Just search with our user. So still it is running. It's blocked, nothing but it's a background. This program, I guess, scheduled. So this is about custom ESA jobs. Sorry, standard ESA jobs in order to affect the changes for your custom roles. Okay. Now we'll see the auto provision and the delegation. Auto provision and the delegation. So if you remember, when you add a role, the right side you may see 2 checkboxes, right? Someone is shamefully on security control. It's a full confusing. Okay. So here users. So this is one of user TL28. So here you may see assignable and auto provision. Assignable is nothing but it deals with your delegation rules or vacation rules. You know the vacation rules, right? In on-premise. So if the manager is in 1 week and he is on vacation, you need to perform manager activities, right? Behalf of manager. Nothing but the manager privileges will be delegated to you for that specific 1 week period. So that you may submit the timesheets, you may approve couple of email notifications, and whichever the manager wants to be perform the things, those activities you may perform within that 1 week specific period or 1 day specific 1 day or 2 day like that. So vacation rules needs to be applied by using this assignable feature. When the role is assignable, when the role is indicates with assignable, yes, nothing but this role you can delegate to any other user, behalf of you for a certain frequency. Okay. I want to be delegate again employee role. So by default, Oracle is not delegating this employee role. Still, if you want to be delegate, click on the edit and just enable this. Yes. Order manager, order so yes, and save and close. Now these roles are enabled as assignable. So again, what you have to do, just navigate to your home screen, Springboard. So very first, you may have the me. In the me, here you may see the roles and delegations. Roles and delegations, just open this. Okay, say here, this is my user, test user one, since I'm in test user one. So here you may see these roles are assignable, whichever roles you are able to see here, nothing but in the user screen, these roles are assignable as are indicating as yes. The way you may see the roles here. So once you may see the roles here, role delegations plus approval delegation. We have two components, which is role delegations and approval delegations. Just click on the role delegation here if you want to be delegate role itself. So you can delegate any one of the role, something IT security manager or something order administrator, and start date and the end date also same one day. I want to be navigate to something, some other user. Okay, it's not associated with an employee. Okay, you cannot see. So something. So I want to be used this so-and-so user. So what I have to do? It would be delegated to so-and-so user for a specific day, and this is the role. These role activities will be performed by this user on this specific one day. Just save it. Similarly, you may perform the approvals also. Just expand this. So time and labors and PO approvals and receivables approvals, general approvals, projects approvals, whichever you want, just you can, delegate these approvals to specific users in a specific duration. Just click on the add. This is a rule name. This won't be, you won't get an opportunity to work with real-time. This is completely managed by your onshore team only. Okay. Just knowledge purpose. Just you need to know these are your approval categories. So whichever you want, just you can use. So I want to go for purchasing, purchase related, approvals. So allow user to approve their own transaction and delegate it to something. So on so user and save it. So once the date is exceed, specify a date after the start date. Okay. Maybe time is conflicting. So the way you can create a role. So this is about your delegations. Now auto provision. So in your on-premise system, I want to be create an employee for a user. Where you will create? I want to be associate an employee to the user. Where you will do that in on-premise system? Team, can anyone recollect?
What is the question, Vijay?
In on-premise system, okay, how will you associate an employee to the user?
In the user window, we'll assign the
Yes, in the user window right side, you may have the employee information, right? First, you need to create an employee and associate that employee to the user. So here also, we can associate an employee to the user. Here, you do not see any information here. It's a blank. When you associate an employee for this user, you may see the employee information here. Okay. First, we'll try to create an employee which is quickly for this user. Just navigate to setup and maintenance, FSM, and navigate to global search. This is your module search. Now I'm trying to navigate right side task pane, which is a global search. Here, search the task, manage users. Okay. Open the manage users. Now click on new, create. Here, create a person here. Person something TL28 employee. Something email ID is mandatory. And link to user account. This person, I want to be linked to my user account. Just enable this and search with your user. Click on OK. Now provide this user related information here. Person type is an employee. And you may select the legal employer, business unit, and so on. So for this, and the business unit, something, any one of business unit. Okay, that's enough. Now save and close. Now we have created a person. This person is associated with our user. Now, when you open the user, you may see this person information TL28 employee against your user. Once it is done, you may perform auto provision roles. Okay. So what is auto provision roles? Nothing but automatically you may want to add the roles to the user. Let's assume there is a purchasing department is there. The purchasing department's 100 users are there. For that 100 users, I want to add couple of roles automatically. I don't want to be open each and every user and add the role. Okay. The moment this auto provision roles will come into picture, if you want to add bulk roles to the user based on condition specific, if you want to add the roles. Now in our scenario, I'm going to use the condition employee. So now we have created an employee for employee specific. For employee person type employee specific, I want to be add automatic roles to my user. Okay. First, we'll see the user screen. This is the users. See here.
Vijay, I have one question here.
Yes.
Yeah, just now actually we have created TL28 user is the implementation user, right? So
Yes.
that user we have assigned to the employee
Yes.
user.
Yes. Yes. Now see associated worker information is there. Okay, this is not our user, right? Just switch to your target user. We have created a person, the person associated with our target user, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, now see that. I am trying to switch with my target user and you may see the associated information over there. Or you can directly verify the security console user screen itself. Just open the user and see. instead of, login with a new user. See here, now it's a name itself changed with employee TL28. Now it's associated worker information here, so and so, and person number are successfully created. Okay, now auto provision. Here, auto provision is indicating with all as no. Nothing but these roles are manually added to the user. If it is indicates S is nothing but the role is being added by auto provision feature. Okay, now we'll try to achieve the same. So for that, again, navigate to FSM. So Oracle is providing certain conditions for us in order to achieve these auto provision roles. It could be person type, or it could be job, position, grade, business unit, legal employer. The way you have a couple of roles or rules. Or just search with auto provision. Manage. Provision. Okay. Just search with this, you make it. Yeah. This is manage a role provisioning rules. This is a task you need to select, manage role, provisioning the rules. Here, click on the new rule. So this is the conditions is Oracle is providing. It's a legal employer, business unit, department, job, position, grade, location, assignment type, system person type, manager type, responsibility, and so on. So based on this condition, you can automatically add the roles to the user. Okay, something TL28 rule, just provide the rule name. And here I want to add system based, which is employee. And the user person type also you need to add an employee since we have an employee, right? So I want to be add based on employee and associated roles. What are the roles you need to be added here? So I want to be add something HRMS, human resource. This is human resource manager. And something human capital management integration specialist. And something human resource analyst. These roles are belongs to your HCM application.
Sir, sorry for disturb. How they're different, sir? System user type and user person type. How they get different with each other?
When you select the system person type, obviously you need to select the user person type also. This is a default feature.
Oh.
Okay, by default. Okay. Now these roles I have added against this condition, employee role, save and close. Now, how these roles get associated with your user? There are two ways. Okay. First, open the user screen. Sorry, help desk, right? Security console. This is your 28. The first way is open the user, click on the edit, and click on add auto provision roles. Just click this. So you have in the system, I have n number of conditions are there for employee specific. You may see all the roles here. See here something asset accounting, employee 1, 2, 3, employee 1, 2 test, and followed by HR, human capital management, HR resource analyst, and the manager. All the roles gets added since I have a number of conditions are there for this employee specific. And click on the done, save and close. You may see auto provision is indicating as yes here. So this is no. Okay, it's a progress, still is in progress. So once it is done, you may see here auto provision indicating as yes with a couple of roles. And then one more way is you need to submit the ESH job. Mostly in the real time, you will follow to submit the ESH job so that whoever as an employee associated with the user, for that user, these roles gets automatically added to user. Okay. So for that, navigate to
Vijay, I have one question. Sorry to disturb you. See, like if it is only one role we have created, so we can directly click auto provision roles. If you have many roles we have, so do we get any LOV type? Can we select whichever is required?
No, we have added many roles, right? For that employee specific, we have added 3 roles, if you remember.
Yeah, 3 roles we have added under one condition, right?
Yes.
Under one mapping
No,
name.
there is no feasibility. Again, you have to go for one more rule to define. Okay.
Yeah. Like, can we get the option there? Like when
No,
we
there is no option. Still, if you want to add one more role, again navigate your rule and add the role there itself. But you cannot directly add the role within the user screen itself. You are expecting to be added in the user screen, right?
not using, I'm expecting to get the option so that I can select a TL29 rule you have created, right? So
No,
I will create one more rule too. So
No,
there
here
is a
itself
different
you
set of.
cannot. Again, you can navigate FSM only.
Then okay, then it is
Okay.
yeah, it's only for one time. One type of users only I can use this.
Yes.
function. Yeah.
This is auto provision. Just search with one of ESA job, just standard one. This is auto provision roles for all the users. Click on OK. So evaluates an enterprise role mapping definitions and create the role request for users according to specified criteria. What is our criteria? We have defined which is employee specific, right? So that roles can be added to the user whenever this ESA jobs gets completed. Again,
Sir, how the condition get matched here, sir? Still not understanding, sir. System user role type and another role type, how both are getting matched, sir? System user role, okay, implementation user we can consider. And another user role is how both user condition are getting matched.
where is the user role you are using?
No, we have created now auto provision for the 2 condition. So
No,
how
only one condition.
then
Right?
why we have selected 2 conditions, system user role employee and then another user role employee? Please show it again, sir, if you don't mind.
This is right. This is we have created, right?
Yes.
So when you edit here, see here, this is a role name and system person type is an employee. When you select the system person type, obviously you need to select the user person type also. It's the same. Whichever you are selecting here, the same you need to select here.
User system person. Sir, what is the system person type and what is the user person type, sir?
That is
What
I'm saying. We have created one employee, right?
Yes.
For a user.
Yes.
That is our person type. When you
Okay.
create if you remember, when I create an employee there, I'm selecting the person type, if you remember.
Yes.
That is this one.
Okay.
You
System
got it?
person type and user person type. Okay.
Is it clear? So this is your auto provision roles. Okay. So almost you are done with, all the topics which are given in security and console. Still, if you want to be upload the users roles, which is the bulk. Okay. I want to be provision the role for 500 users at a time. Okay. The moment,
I have one question.
just a moment. If you want to be adding bulk roles to the users, I have 500 users. Further 500 users, I want to be go for bulk roles, or I want to be deactivate 500 users at a time or 100 users at a time. It's not possible to every time to open the user and deactivate, right? The moment HDL will come into picture, your human capital management, there is a HDL concept is there. You need to perform the HDL. You need to run your HDL so that all the users bulk, you can deal with your bulk user data and role data operations. That is, we'll see it, HDL. I will show you. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, which I suppose I want to auto provision any particular role for all users, whether they are employee or not. The minute the user ID is created,
That is,
role
whichever
has to
Oracle
be-
is providing the conditions, right, as a standard functionality.
suppose we don't select any condition.
No, we cannot.
We can. Okay.
We cannot. That is, auto provision role should be in a specific criteria.
Okay.
Okay. It's not possible as a standalone. It could be job, position, grade, manager type, system person type. It could be anything as per your system definition for HCM and the business unit, legal employer, like that.
But Vijay, actually, like practically, like in the real time, like we have a different set of auto provision rules, right? Like for example, as you said, the manager required the few roles as a
Yes.
manager, accounts payable manager. As a user, normal user is may required only
Yes.
you access only. So
Yes.
I can create different set of manager is a one different set auto provision and other
Yes.
users is like that. So can
Correct.
I sign this to that people? Like okay, where we can
Yeah.
segregate this manager and employee, like we have given only one employee is a common. So if I
Let's
want to
assume I have a manager, I have a normal user. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's assume today 10 managers are joined in my organization and 100 employees are joined in my organization. Okay. So I want to be associated roles to my users, right?
Yeah.
Then you need to create a definition in generally system person type, user person type, they will maintain as an employee, and the manager type, they will create as a one more rule. So by default, these rules can be triggered when they invoke that ESS job, the standard ESS job. Based on
Okay, that's the
conditions.
reason. That's the reason creating the rules. We are selecting specifically only for employee, only
Yes,
for
correct.
manager. Yeah, if it is
Yes.
a manager, the condition is matched. We have whatever
Yes,
we have
exactly.
created the rule, it's going to be applied, assigned to
Correct.
that rules.
Yeah,
Okay.
similarly,
I got it.
business unit. If you select so on say ABC business unit, if
Okay,
the
okay.
user related to for that ABC business, then the roles can be added.
Okay, okay, I got it. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Thanks for clarification.
For only knowledge purpose only, I'm really saying you won't see this screen in the real time. Okay, you won't get any opportunity, even though if you are from HCM background also. Very rare scenario, they will follow this, auto provision role.
Okay.
Okay. And the delegation also. But you need to know what are the roles is required for your requirement. That is the most important. What are the roles are required for your user, and how to customize standard role, how to create a complete new role, which is a custom role, and how to get a data access sets. The data access is the most important for a technical person. Okay. That is, we'll see it every day process. So this is about your security and roles. Still, any doubts, any clarifications, any concerns on security console? Pretty much I have covered everything. Still, anyone has any doubts here? Please practice yourself. Okay, just I am providing my email ID here. If you have any doubts, please send an email, or Padma will add the you may, once you're done with the registration, she will add, in the WhatsApp group. If you have any doubts, just use that WhatsApp group in order to solve the issues. If anyone cannot respond, I will respond for your queries. Okay.
Vijay,
Yes.
generally these are the functional role or technically
Only
some-
functionals. Yeah.
functional.
Functionals, but sometimes when instance will be cloned, you may get a new user, right? Right.
Yeah.
The moment you need to know, right, how to add the roles and so on. So it's mandatory to know the security, how it would be implemented. If you have an experience with minimum 8 to 9 years.
Okay.
Okay, it should
And
be
also-
mandatory.
And also one more thing, like if suppose in the future, like auto provision roles changes based on some condition, so
Mhm.
need to create the again new one more custom
Yes.
auto privilege, and you need to
Yes.
add that, right?
Yes, and these auto provision roles real time, they will followed by specific dates only. Start date, end date, they should have.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Vijay,
Yeah.
once user ID and password is created, an email has to be sent to them.
Yes.
No?
Yes.
That how do we do?
That is more into Active Directory now. Yeah. You may see here. There is a preferences is there in the security. If you see. Here, user categories, something, if you open any category, you may see here, username, so and so, and the password policy, you may get here. Days before password expiration, you get a notification by this, and how you will get a notifications is nothing but there is a templates would be available here. Administration. User role membership, role copy status, roles. Here itself, I guess. Somewhere you have templates you need to follow. Whether the template is enabled or not. Here the notification, right? Here you may see. These are notifications. Yeah. So these are templates needs to be enabled like this. New account user template is enabled. And something password related changes, password generated template here. See here. Or our password template. This is your standard ones. These should be enabled. Okay.
This means predefined templates, right?
Yeah, these are the predefined.
But if you want to create the,
sorry?
Yeah, if you want to create the custom, like somewhere like
Custom, I'm not sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I did not involve in this category. It's sort of out of scope.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Fine. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
So this is about the security and roles. Tomorrow onwards, we'll see the BAP reports development. Okay. So mostly the BAP reports will correlate with our on-premise systems XML reports. Okay. And we'll see. First, we'll see the user interface. What are the features we do have? What is the folder structure? There we have something application top and the custom top, right? And within the reports and US, we do have some files in the bin folder and so on. So, right here also we do have the folder structure. How it would be maintained? What is the user interface? What are the features we do have? Where you can find the busting features and all, and what are the default features we need to maintain? Then after we'll see, the report development.
Okay, Vijay, do you have this weekend class?
Weekend, no.
Okay. Okay, fine.
First,
Because
we do not have the weekend.
Yeah, I'm not coming from tomorrow. 2 days. Just I'm back by Monday.
Yeah.
Not issue.
Thursday, right? Tomorrow we have.
Okay, yeah.
And the next week we do not have Saturday and Sunday. It's a week off, so that you will get some time to practice, right? Again, third week onwards. Anyway, okay, we'll see. No problem.
Okay,
So
okay,
based
fine.
on your interaction. If you really need a weekend, we'll provide that. No
Okay.
issues.
Okay, okay.
But it would be better to maintain your Saturday also, so that we'll be in a good sync.
Yeah, okay. Okay. This Saturday only and this now I'm not available.
Yeah, no problem. Anyway, first 2 weeks, so we'll give a week off.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks to everyone. Have a nice day.
Vijay, the one question. Vijay, this today's call actually the bulk role assignment. You said
Mhm.
right? Bulk how
Mhm.
we are going to assign. The
Mhm.
process. I think
Mhm.
you have to cover, right? That or is it covered?
That is, we'll see
Bulk
in
role
HDL.
assignment.
HDL.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
At HDL time, we'll see how to load the data. The moment I will show the user, just remember me at that time. Okay, I may forget.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks to all. Bye-bye.